How's it going, everybody? This is Dave with another episode of Wrecked Rebuild. This is an update on the Suburban. You see I got the hood on, I got the front bumper cover on, headlights are in, everything works on those, and but I've got some really lousy hood lines, so I'm going to have to backtrack a little bit and do some work on that. Pull these fenders in. They got to come in because I got really too large of gap right there where the hood lines up with the fenders, both sides. So unfortunately, I have to take the headlight assemblies back out. This mess down here, that's another story. It's kind of like the one step forward, two steps back. I installed that lower steering shaft and knuckle yesterday. Started filling up the reservoir for the power steering, and obviously I had a seal that had let go, and eventually it filled the bellows up on that side and loud pop, and I got all the steering fluid was running on the ground. So as you can very well guess, I'm going to have to replace the rack. I thought about rebuilding it. They make a kit for it, but I can get a remanufactured off eBay with, let's see, tie rod ends, ball joints, and stabilizer link replacements. About $308. So I think I'm going to go that route and see if I can get this thing straightened out. I was really hoping I could just take it up and down the driveway a couple times, and then that happened. So I don't know if it knocked the seal out, probably in the wreck, I would assume, but not 100% sure on that. Bottom line is, it's screwed up. I got to replace it. So anyway, other than that, things are coming along pretty good. I did get the new tires on. Had ordered those in and had them put on. That's the new wheel, or the replacement wheel I bought also. The other one was damaged. And I got to put the trim back on this door, but it starts, it runs. I got to put the airbag in. That's another story. Quick little update I'll give you guys. I think it was pretty good. You guys can be the judge of that, but things are coming along. So a few disappointments, but I think we'll get it to a point where it's drivable here before too much longer. All right, well, that's it for now. Good luck with your projects, everybody, and like, if you want, comments are welcome. Just hit the like button if you really like this project. So that's it for right now.